How are we doing, folks? James Farrer here, Junior Sales Executive over at BMW Joe Duffy Charlestown, and today I have this absolutely stunning 2017 BMW 5 Series 520D M Sport Saloon. Let's take a quick look around her. Comes in a carbon black metallic finish with the LED lighting up front, the BMW kidney grille with the silver trim, the front parking sensors, the M Sport front bumper, the BMW spoked alloys on run flat tyres with the M Sport badging. Come around to the side, you have the privacy glass in the rear with the complemented with the black trim, the shark fin antenna on top. Come around to the back, you have the BMW 520D badging, the rear parking sensors, the automatic boot, the LED rear tail lights, the twin exhausts, and the detachable tow bar. Now let's take a look at the interior. Now folks, that we're inside, you can see the multifunctional paddle shift M Sport steering wheel, the fully digital cockpit with the sports mode, the comfort mode, and the Eco Pro mode. The BMW iDrive system on board, automatic handbrake, the BMW teleservice also on board, heated seats, fully electric seats, automatic headlights, rain sensors, and fully electric windows. The interior comes in an ivory white Dakota leather with a dark oak wood trim finish, accompanied by customizable ambient lighting. Also on board is the BMW SOS service, the pedestrian safety system, keyless push button start ignition, and many other extras. This is a quick look around this 2017 BMW 5 Series 520D M Sport Saloon. If you have any questions about this car, please feel free to contact us at BMW Joe Duffy Charlestown. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video.